Hey there guys, it's Matt here. Welcome to the Magical Adventurers. Today we have another Bibbidi Box unboxing for you for the month of January. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, and let's see what's in this month's Bibbidi Box. Alright, so here's our Bibbidi Box this month. It actually looks like more of a Bibbidi bag this time. Similar to what the Christmas bag looked like. It's in a whole bag. So let's see what's in here. It looks like a lot of interesting stuff. It looks like a lot of maybe superhero themed stuff. So I'm really excited. Let's see. Well, of course, here's our card that they've been including now. I like this one. It's like very Valentine's Day. So we got like a mix of Christmas and Valentine's Day with the bag and the card. And it's nice on the inside too. They have like the candies, the heart-shaped candies that you get at Valentine's Day. And of course, as always, is our packing slip. And we don't want to open that because that'll be a spoiler alert for what's inside. So we'll take a look at that after to check out our value. Alright, so our first item is, wow, it's really awesome. It's a magic band, and it's Mr. Toad. A Mr. Toad magic band, that's awesome. Really cool, it's got Mr. Toad and all the other characters on there. It's just a nice callback to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. So that's really cool. It's always nice to have a magic band to the collection. Alright, up next, I know I like caps. I feel like they've been watching the videos. Here's a Stark Industries cap. Let's take a closer look at it. There it is. Stark Industries. Created by Howard Stark and now, run by Tony Stark in the MCU. Nice. Alright, up next, more Marvel merch. It's Incredible Hulk socks. To add to my funky socks collection. These are cool. On the back, it tells the story of the Hulk. It says a massive dose of gamma radiation transformed the brilliant but meek scientist Bruce Banner into the Jade Giant known as the Hulk. Often targeted by those who misunderstand him, Hulk prefers to use his immense power to smash the forces of evil, proving to the world that he is the strongest hero there is. That's really cool. Hulk socks. Alright, more Marvel to tell you about. It's the Funko Pop Pink collection with that's Marvel, and our choices are Captain America, Spider-Man, Hulk, Loki, Thor, and Iron Man. So here's what the back looks like. Back of that looks like. Let's see which one we get. And it is the God of Thunder. There's Thor. Alright, we have another mystery pin. It's called Magical Mystery Pins. Oh, this one's really cool. It's like a Monsters Inc. door. It's a Monsters Inc. door with Sorcerer Mickey pattern on it. It's got Mickey Mouse's name on the star. It's like his dressing room. Alright, and our last item is a new Funko Pop from the Pop Rides collection. It is Valkyrie's Flight from Avengers Endgame. Remember in the final battle scene, obviously spoiler alert for Avengers Endgame, but Valkyrie is flying on her horse in that final battle scene. It's cool. There's more of that Endgame collection too, and I'm working on getting some more Marvel Funko Pops. You see my Avengers Assemble collection here, almost complete, waiting for the Hulk. We got Spider-Man over here too, and now we have Valkyrie's Ride, or Valkyrie's Flight. So we're adding more to the Marvel. Funko Pop collection, and I really like that. So, speaking about Marvel, check out my latest WandaVision reviews. We do a spoiler review every week. I'll link up the playlist up here. And stay tuned, because we are going to be changing up how we do the WandaVision reviews, and I will be announcing that soon. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you're notified when all of our latest videos go live. Alright, so let's check out the value now on our packing slip. Alright, so we have the Stark Industries hat coming in at $24.99. The Hulk socks coming in at $14.99. The Magical Mystery Pin Series, that was the Monsters Inc. Sorcerer Mickey one, coming in at $6.99. The Magic Band coming in at $24.99. The Marvel pins, the Thor pin coming in at $10, and the Funko Pop Avengers Endgame Valkyrie on horse coming in at $30 for a total of $111.96. And remember, we pay $100 a month. So again, value is good. We got a lot of stuff this month. I think this is the most items, like number of items we've gotten in our box. So I really loved this one. I loved a lot of the Marvel stuff. I needed more Marvel stuff, so I always need more Marvel stuff. I love Marvel. So I'm excited for this box. I loved all the stuff. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, or if there's any Marvel Funko Pops that you have that you like and could recommend, because I'm always on the lookout. Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out all our other videos. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of when all of our latest videos go live. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at themagicaladventurers for some great content over there, and be sure to join us every Saturday at 7:30 p.m. for our live show where you can take part in the conversation. So thanks for joining us for this Bibbidi Box unboxing, and until our next magical adventure, see you real soon.